I am so angry.
Asemaba, aden Sammy Gyamfi no agrada hu bibi gu nani so anase
Sia na me hu video no Sammy Gyamfi ye da wase wate. Ye da wase bebre ye ni hia ye ka kire ye da ase.
And we are giving her money. For what exactly?
Hey, Mahama, resign the boy.
Ade. Adam be say adwuma ne den Mama Mahama sa ade.
I am giving the president, His Excellency Mampeni John Mahama from now to Friday. Say I was saying Mampeni Mahama it me taking action. Two things. Either say Sammy Gyamfi be resign and I say Mampeni Mahama be suspended.
Abusuyan panifo etu nyumbi se obi nka se 24th ko ukulomu wa wo show we living any obra wo mu obeto politic bag eno na Sammy Gyamfi sesi ano aba beto no ono nka se obeto ne politic bag na pack ne niema agumu away bars yes sesi NDC for members na hyase soldiers for na omo media ni so no omo hyase F faya Sammy Gyamfi e wo sika na ode koche eye mama part ya owie ye no osan so be kremi se sika wenye sika bia e wo sanka Ghana for e kasa e mama part yan kasa nkrampo be kan se Ghana for omo ya ye jealous yes because obi etua 1.4 million omo jealous 1.4 million hey mama part in dollars sesi ano party members for each limu a either say Sammy Gyamfi beko and I say Mahama ne beko because obi emble emobi medi de what you say campaigning time no uhun crofo no omo ye campaigning na obi a obo against no ono na Sammy Gyamfi watamu sika sei edi akwa akoma no na obi nso pesika di akosuku semeni bi abusuya this particular platform we na me ma oba be hwe di ekoso e wo media so message so oba jebre na watie ensem a ekoso e fa Sammy Gyamfi oni pama part omo ho.
I've said this afternoon. I am so angry. Oh, big man, look at us. Oh, we the food soldiers. We were those making names on social media, fighting, dancing, campaigning. I was at Legon up to 3 o'clock a.m. fighting for JM and John Dumelu. I went up to Zabsgu fighting for NDC. You came in power just for a month. You are not thinking about your food soldiers, how to get us work. And you are going around with V8s and dollars full of the car, sharing it to someone who was against your campaign, who was insulting our president. Now you know how to give this woman $10,000, coming out to tell us that you are sorry. So are you taking the $10,000 back and share it or use it for the youth? Or what are you telling us? So if we accept the apology, does it mean that you are taking back the $10,000? $10,000 is not a small money, it's not a joke money, bro. As I am here, if I get even $1,000, do you know what I can do with $1,000? Bro, you are saying that you should engage in agriculture. Look at me. If you give me $1,000, I know what to go and do in agriculture. I know what to farm. Don't you think I can use $1,000 to start my agri business? Ah! Abo. You can't apologize. So what should we do now? Charlie, if this thing are going to continue like this for 1 year, I swear, I never go vote give NDC again. We there here. It's the earlier the better. We should better change it right now. Other than that, it's not going to.
Ebusia asemaba aden Sammy Gyamfi no agrada hu bibi gu nani so anase de because me dwi want mentiase o the way Sammy Gyamfi wonim say enkrofo asset trap enkrofo asset cameras ne satellite e dia to so no wankasa e na wodi wo hu sei ade akwakoma ene ye tuom je the way e be no this week no the way amafo de be ma left and right no me no me expect say NDC mpanifo no e be ba bonten ababe condemn dia Sammy Gyamfi here no because enye fine wonim say wo pie ko abonten na se bia wo ko yie wo ko wedding Samuel manema na as a public figure and as a politician no obi obehu bia no obe try say ye baby say usika and as baby say obibi what are you supposed to do as say won say sika e dey share obotomu 10 cities 20 cities 100 cities 200 cities e dey share friend say obotomu bia say dey bia obi bisa wa ade say wo ye na say wo yudi won sa hyemu a na wo yi sika no e dey amanipa no wo Sammy Gyamfi wa anya ne saa wetumi anya kokuduro ama agrada ebise wo sika when ya kukudura kwa bi o ka eyi sika esan so e flip sika no na edi ekura na kan se wo de kan sika no nga wo de wo yi sika no yi sika no mu kakra fa ma no wotumi nya kukuduru e kan sika no one by one e mama ne se wo fa sika no nyina ma me at the end of it na mama ne hwim sika no $1 of dollars e de firi wo nsem e de ko no Sammy Gyamfi ne say good word now was no ho e yankrofo bi atwa nkrofo bi nso no enti ekwan bi ankrofo no be fa so a ombenya no ono na mo fa so enti de wo ye no e totally no good SSS adi way SSS yes so because the Sammy Gyamfi ye no enya de beboa eni si pedifom bia bonten na o meka sentia adi way because e ade amasa enya de beboa ne expect say asiedu nketia eni e friend say the president John Mahama will launch the code of conduct even after code of conduct in amotumenya kudro akwakoye saadi asa Sammy Gyamfi wakonya kudro nya saadi way Sammy Gyamfi wewu amafo be no dread omo no anso a masa membese NDC mpanifo no bi beba bonten ababe de ababe defend saadi way ye defend ye because obia ehu yehu de ekoso no enye esan grassroots no kura ebre wotumi yisika say e de ama obi se grassroots bi ebisa wa edi ona so man 10 cedi woman 20 cedi sa edi na obeye mama part edi na like ode bo amo de ba power even mama part we na ba bonte be ka say Mahama no Yakopon ayi chirine afiri so enya ade obetuni ababe ye president Ghana ha bio na wo Sammy Gyamfi wakoko ye sa ade we yen ka se manche obi sika be kwan ya ofo aso wo che nipa ni sika no enya ade e fa kwan pa so nti ali si mpanifo no mra bonte na on be kasa because ade we on ye de enya fine enya fine kra dread
Sisia na mihu video no Sammy Gyamfi ye da wase wate ye da wase bebre ni hia ye ka kire ye da ase sika bebrebe me say na no me oho no obi ba me die mu sam guy bi so e next me o se kolebu se hen me na guy no so ye campaign minim se guy this guy was doing campaign back to back o se nanado pen so ye contract se o mo contract wu ono so ye NDC ne ono so ye ba be yi na this guy is crying oni madwuma o ba be ye Yamu po hama sai sika na what kind dollars a wodi man obetima ma ye me sapa me dia kan ye business ho ye business ama ye business atumpon what se sika bebrebe we asa dia ma sika ni bio Sammy Gyamfi NDC for youth ye buafu akasa afa na mate me ntia obia buafu afa na mate ase ye now ahemachi anajo ne e so life ye nya jimi for ye use ye nya akasa ye airtime ye campaign ye mankofo sika so munko vote adai.
I've seen so many comments about people blasting Sammy Gyamfi for gifting Agrada money, blah blah blah. And for once, I agree with those blasting him, honestly, because John Mahama during campaign period, like and they are still struggling. I'm not saying say NDC about power and NDC but there are some people. There is this one girl. Campaign period, me witness it pass a girl or ye campaign up and down Koba. And from the girl, ne mame, and so ye NDC near no so ye campaigns. Ultimate texting me, sister Muni, school fees cramming, all these people are there during campaign period. And some full ben I grad armets na hanka. And some ben I grad armets na hanka. And we are giving her money. For what exactly? Let's put campaign and 1 year so when is and all of that. This woman is very comfortable, and we are still giving. There are some things that once you decide to talk about them, you become disrespectful. But let's look on the other side. There are so many people who need help. Young Kofubi Bremu here more assistance now, and those people are not like you show more crowd. Those you few or more. Or more in here, any day, like do it.
Hey, Mahama, resign the boy. Sammy Gyamfi boy no resign. Let alone the politician that work dollar work for a totally minus so negative as a politician. And what dollar work hard, may I give to Shadow Troy. Needy. Nagado, you need Wagana. Agada, or you need it. The day as nature that on one side or $1 in Bia Wagana. One more be 1 million so lie. Will be on corner region office on $1 in the man. Send me in there. $1 Kalim Wagana as a Sammy Gyamfi. Sammy Gyamfi could create $800 that my God don't go to fuel. Them no like on $800 don't go to fuel as a politician. And what the mistake who call him on about with a minus. Nagani get $1 waha. $1 no then will call. Hey, when I get fun with a fan, you go the ED. What the sponsor I got that man means that my local can December where you want to campaign. I come on $1. One time will be aligned with the demonstration.
Punya, you are Ghana ha, and I'm Mahama say Munye. It's a my 4 any 10%. And then my devil you Mahama buy and chair, Yasum. And in any answer, also light bill 14.something%, water 4.something. I bet you says coming now the other bank at the cop. I did say, yeah, Sammy Gyamfi $10. $10. Say $800. We bundle that $800. We are there bundle that $800. What the charge that? Now Ghana had if I don't know any was there converted 800 price say 15 Ghana cedi. What the enterprise now say 10 Ghana cedi. Almost 10,000 Ghana cedi. Ghana for the one and then now me no can say almost 10,000 Ghana cedi. I want my account. Somebody has here. Na Sammy Gyamfi na credibility be na Sammy Gyamfi be want to be share gold miners. Who so who chase scam.
Yo Sammy Gyamfi. So ho. Adia Mahama aye a obie bonabaso no. Obie bonabaso. What take it just one day pe. Akoma mama part $1. Because of dollars are demand in Tire. And one will be eka. Social media none will be boosted. Ad day. Adam be say adwuma ne dent mama Mahama sa ade. Do we no anya ade. Me process, we a very brilliant guy. Me process. But why will you even do that? Say if you would $1 kwegu kai mu no camp no. Enya de papa. Udi sika be bregu kai mu camp nya de papa. You say 10K. Some dey for anya ade. Because Mahama e boy adwuma. Mama appointees no. Mama adwuma na Mahama e bo no. MS say like more hano, more bedestable no. Masa.
When you are not out of to be honest with you, I asked Sammy Gyamfi Sammy, you know, I don't know why remember NDC. Because you wouldn't yet remember NDC and you true. John Mahama saw more competition. Some one you will be an amphiscam when it's summer. I grant you will be always. She said, what is canon? We share a macacran cross up was I from Ekam? Mammy come forward. Mammy Tabramani Bawea was I don't know, meaning send a message to some cry. Eh, John Mahama is Sammy Gyamfi paper man on contract. Mana away and see our mayor who said, Uncle baby and putting at the ocean. Victoria Hammer, or Kazi and make $1 million. Obeja. We know scout about dollars now. Can see this crop and can and I said, be $20, be $40 be now the man. Scout
Active on this issue. So Bia the bet check Sammy Gyamfi and Yamia. There be Sammy Gyamfi has to pay for it. Now you find NDC in penny force Monsuma Bano. If you try to go the way of the NPP, Masa, you guys will go home very early in the morning in 2028, and they are making this very clear. And this is my take. I am giving the president, His Excellency Mampeni John Mahama from now to Friday. Say I was saying Mampeni Mahama, it me taking action. Two things. Either say Sammy Gyamfi be resign and I say Mampeni Mahama be suspended. Anyhow be a Mampeni Mahama deems fit. Say obe punish Sammy Gyamfi be supporting. Name boom. From now to Friday. Say the presidency Mampeni Mahama and Timi and Sammy Gyamfi so that's Sammy Gyamfi so and resign. That's the NDC penny for fun say enya sembia. This is what I will do. Number one, men support any call for Mampeni Mahama to go for more than 4 years. Ebe fiasco in Ghana. This is what I will do. Media in America chiremu say, should the presidency fail to discipline Sammy Gyamfi, I will never ever support any call for Mampeni Mahama to go for more than 4 years. Sabiu enye ononkwa na edimu nyansa. Ne 4 years we so onko tene fiedi. Na say NDC for also any penibia to lead the party after Mahama. Let the party be where you want to be. It's that simple. And I will drop support for Mahama's 42-year agenda. Me drop it, me support him. 4 years depend on say should the president fail to take this matter serious, send the American men support anything Mahama beyond 4 years. 4 years depend on what enya so pe onko tenefi. And this will be my stance. So I'm making this very clear to each and every one of you. Me fama semunsi say Mahama anya hu bibia on call for more than 4 years bia in Ghana ha. We are going to resist with the last drop of our blood. Yes, it is up to the president to do what they or he is supposed to do. Now, let me play some videos, some videos of NDC grassroots who have come out to also express their discontent. Now, Montias here say, these are people I've known during the campaign time. These are not random people. I just came across their video for you to think, say, maybe they are members of NPP and are pretending to be NDC. No. These are people I've known since campaign period. These are people who spoke for the NDC. These are people who campaigned for the NDC. And like I'm saying, these are people I've known since last year campaign time who were on TikTok every day campaigning for John Mahama and the NDC, who have now come out to express their displeasure with the ongoing Sammy Gyamfi issue. Eti yenti and semua almost at the Atuga. Then I will leave it to the authorities of the NDC to decide on exactly what they want to do. These are the grassroots. These are the people who brought you to power. Yes, these are the people who made Sammy Gyamfi who he is today. Campaign man a party near 2 meeting and they will take a flashy car spray dollars. So some a serious party now some percent more coffee as a party. These are the people that you must listen to, because these are people you who worked for you in 2024 last year. And these are people you need again in 2028. And this in TSC, the radios now on seriously TV stations, and the person the radio, the person the TV, everything is on social media. It is social media for if you take them for granted, they can do or undo you. And the Montias, yes, sir. So if you take the social media people for granted, you are in trouble. And year 2028, NDC will go home early in the morning. I'm telling you the facts. Yeah, fine, Chemo. Okay, say we campaign for you to come and mess up. You think we campaign for you to come and play the fool, to spray dollars and drive in flashy cars? Sure. Moyare. Listen to them. The first video.
Sammy Gyamfi. Yana ye potoma ne fe no. Ye de ye chise ye di bebo mu ho. Yana ye yam hwehwade no. Sammy Gyamfi yam pepa ye nsa kwa. Yana ye fudua ekoyi wo no. Mama ye ntafre ye nsa. Na ye nte ewo ne de. Ye mfa ye nsa pepa dua ho meboa. Sammy Gyamfi. Wia say ye we obi tumi ehuhu ema obi keka na. Obi huhu mo obi nkeka. What me akan sika dollars e de ama grada. Sammy Gyamfi. Emfa woni a cheopa wo de aba. Emfa woni won sem a wakeka mi busa wo say anza na wo koyi sika de ama akwa ma grada tutu botom ni kromfo ba no. Anza na koyi sika de ama no. Ye grassroots na ye adwuma ma party ni ba power no. E de ba de na wo wa ye de ama ye. Edia bade na wo waye ede ama yen grassroots no eye NDC foot soldiers no edia bade na waye de ama yen Sammy Gyamfi wegu yanimu ase papa wegu NDC TikTokers wegu yanimu ase ankasa wo ma na omo ba ye video ase ebe didi ya tem unim JM we henfa sika sen na obi beba o se mo be bress anso party ni ba be ma ye ma mo kapre obi ba wo se wo pe adwuma de ama obi papa enso nya hwimfiri mu Sammy Gyamfi san krofo kro ya beba ye video ase biem on beba be didi atempe on beba wa mo nya ye ankasa ye mu bi me riske ye mu bi mu ye riske ye life ye waste ye sika ya ye campaign Edi aye jumaden ama party na ba power. Instead of you guys to turn back and be looking for us. Na mo hwehwe yen na nka mo fa bibi enhye yen sem mo fa bibi nhye yen funu mu. Enye yen nyina na ye benya ministerial appointment. But at least anka mo hwehwe ye kira kwan na mo pe bibi mpo mfa man ne hu se bra ye no. Ebia say ni enya free mu. Eno de no. But over kind dollars. Now what the ama agrada to bottom agrada no e de bad like sikana wo de ma agrada na de be nti na wo di sikama agrada. Wo reason is saying aden a e na wunim se wo ye papa ne ye na ye ma party ne ba papa no aye ye papa wie. Wo asiesie ye wie. E na wo koma agrada sika. Na ka mi hu ye agrada na mo no sika ben na agrada woni. Agrada se ne ho kire ne sen. Enunti wecha yegu wodi sika akwa agrada Sammy Gyamfi enye agrada we no obedi di His Excellency John Mahama yen ye papa woda ye yakoma so a obi di na temetumi kan ya koma agrada to meet na ni page di papa we atem for no reason ogu His Excellency John Mahama ni mas enokra na ye 1 week to election. Nadia na no wohwehwe na ope party ni downfall o didi Mahama tam said dey be collapse NDC party no na se nenya kopon apagya nensa na nyakopon ayadoma who like who to me yes who mingle with your enemies and then money matamfo na edi agro money matamfo na tun se didi wa ho once a record with the wabeto abanten or the achew kra wajao or the achew once a record edi wa babeto abanten yena ye bre na because of ebusuya because of sa campaign we ya me ye yenti no baby ama me metie me masesa me location se na me hwe baby ana metie na me hwe baby ana makwakotena because of am for threatening na ebusuya me kan kra be mmobo
abusuya wensu ye di etwagu food soldiers for na omo media ne so ena omo nso omo kasa no yes Sammy Gyamfi ede ne ho akwakoto asem party members ebuafu yes okotua dollars ye DCDs okotua dollars ebesiden or party members omumbufu abusia eha ena mede obesi message so be subscribe na wa shawa like uwie nso a don't forget so obeja o comment ewo ase ho amaye kete wo se enye dodo no hu a makra bye bye.